Hi everyone, my name is Tika.
My name is Alda.
When we're here to discuss the material on the importance our future geography education. Hi Salda.
Hi Tika.
What are you doing?
I'm reading an important piece of news.
What's the big news? I don't seem to know the latest news.
I was reading the news about geography education.
Well, it must be interesting to read the news about our program.
But aren't you concerned about our future in geography? Maybe like job prospect.
I'm curious too, but after I read an article, we get a lot of job prospect.
I know in geography is learning about nature.
It was right before I got into this program to learn more about nature.
Yeah, we freshmen don't know anything about geography yet.
But I was reading an article and I also asked my sister about our matter in geography over at college.
It is true what they are. Well, when I am curious about your story now,
I once heard from my sister that we will learn about mapping and navigation. We will also learn about different rocks.
rocks, take Tika for example.
Maybe the rock in question was like a kind of rock, and the process of forming it.
Wow, that's interesting.
That's right.
So we can definitely get a job in the mining company.
Do you know any mining companies near the Pontianak?
What I don't know. Do you have any in the Pontianak?
I read the article once, and I was also that we were going to practice at company nearby.
It is true what the company name is.
It's called the Kalbar Mineral Center.
We've been needing to work in the minas, and I'm just glad I go into the program because we can learn so much.
Right. We should also be prepared for our journey through nature.
Do you know when there are other job prospects?
I was reading an article that we got a lot of job prospect.
Well, the news I just read is true.
Of course, I read in an article and heard from my sister that our job prospect are broad.
Example like what?
We can both work as geography education teachers at companies like mining companies.
Well, it looks like I'm only going to deepen my knowledge of geography so I can give you the sense of future geography.
What are you gonna get into, Salda? Mapping or educational or other option?
To be honest, I like mapping because we can be sure of the navigation and construction when that will be needed in the future.
That's cool. If I might learn about geography education, because geography teachers are needed in some places.
It's worth to learn about geography to learn that we have chosen the right direction for our jobs and our future.
I didn't expect to learn more about nature than I did about science.
Geography teaches us a great deal about geography. It involves us more than social science.
In the future, I think geography is important because future generation should should know that studying nature is both exciting and challenging.
Isn't geography a little less popular these days?
Yes, I think so. How can we attract other students?
I know. How about we just promote through social media? We can spread out everything we do in geography.
Well, it's interesting that the other students didn't know that geography was fun.
They were just like us before we got into this program, and they think that geography is just social science.
That's right. We were like that before we got into the program.
Exactly, it's turned out that our major is the one that allows us to walk the street.
Not only that, we can study compass.
Do you know how to use a compass before?
I don't know, but once we get into this program, we figure out how to use the right compass.
Right wind can not only determine the direction of the wind, I will not be afraid of being lost in the forest.
Wow, now we are explorers of nature.
It is wonderful, and the rest of the students shall know that geography is fun and can lead to a bright future.
Right. We can find out the connection between human and the environment.
Anyway, I just remember that we also study climate.
Yeah, I really like that material.
Do you know about BMKG?
I know we can get a job prospect if we take this climate and weather stuff seriously.
And they think that geography is just social science.
Can we save by we save people by studying this geography?
Yes, we can see how it works because we've learned so much about nature.
By the way, I read that we will also learn about the land there. There we will learn a lot and know a lot about science.
Before geography, did you have any interest in the other majors?
Well, I was interested in studying history before I got into geography, and I was thinking that geography was only social study.
You were right. Before entering geography, I went to study Indonesian, but I was interested in geography.
That's right. And yes, once I got into the program, I learned that nature It's not just a plant and human being.
Then we know that geography is so important in the future.
Right, geography science is that important.
Audio Jungle.